So we're going to foam roll the glutes. So these muscles over here. So there's 3 of them. The main one is the big one at the back, but you've also got 2 smaller ones just on the side there. With a foam roller, what you're going to do is sit on it. And what you're going to do is cross your, the one that you're going to be doing, cross the shin over the other leg. And then you can just roll through. So try to roll through to just under your low back, down to your sit bone. Hey buddy, hello. And then you can slowly roll through there a few times. And then what you want to do is progressively rotate yourself to the side, going further and further. So you'll find a few tight spots in through there. The other thing that you can do is when you're really trying to get to the side ones, just above this little dent on your hip and below that kind of crest on the side of your pelvis, you can just kind of like lie further down. And those might be pretty sore, yeah? So slowly roll through all of them, do the other side, other leg over the top, and then rolling. Start from basically facing the ceiling to rotating to face the wall. Have a go, see how it feels.